In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page name on Google Sites in 2025. This is a simple process that can help you keep your content organized and easy to navigate for your users. Whether you're updating outdated information or simply refreshing your site's look, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Google account and have access to the Google site you wish to edit. If you're not sure how to get to your site, simply navigate to the Google Sites homepage and select your site from the list of projects. Once you're in, you should see lots of options on the right hand panel. This is where you usually control the components of your site. Now focus on the option that says Pages. It's typically located in the upper portion of this settings panel and is a crucial starting point for our task today. Next, double click the name of the page you want to change. This action will activate the text box, allowing you to edit it. It's a quick and easy way to directly interact with the site structure without delving too deep into settings or backend options. Just make sure you're double clicking gently to avoid any accidental drag and drop actions which might rearrange your pages unintentionally. Once the page name text box is active, you can begin typing your new page name. You want to choose a name that accurately reflects the content and purpose of this page to maintain clarity and seamless navigation for your visitors. If you're rechanging multiple pages, consider a theme or style for page names that brings consistency across your site. This way, users can intuitively understand where each link will take them. After you finish typing, you can either press enter or click away to save the changes. Most of the time, Google Sites will automatically save changes for you, but it's always a good habit to ensure everything looks correct before moving on or exiting the page. This step helps prevent any unintended errors from going unnoticed. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a page name on your Google site. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how users interact with your site and can support your content goals by keeping everything aligned and easy to use. If you plan on doing more customizations, remember this process as it's just one of many ways to keep your site current and engaging. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.